Today I'm going to share my simple chicken steak dinner recipe. I used minimal ingredients. I served this chicken steak with broccoli, roast potatoes and peppercorn sauce. So I started by cutting up some potatoes. This time I left the skin on. You can peel the skin off if you like. Pop them in the baking tray and now I'm going to prepare the marinade. I made a very simple marinade for the roast potatoes. I just put some garlic in some melted butter. I marinated the potatoes with that garlic butter and then I added some salt. So the potatoes are ready for the oven. I'm going to pop them in for about 1 hour at 200°C. I preheated my oven for about 20 minutes before I pop them in there. So for the chicken steak, I'm going to start by cutting it right through the middle. I'm then going to give it a good bash in my meat tenderizer. And this is how thin I want my chicken to look. For the seasoning, you can use a steak rub of your choice. Mine has got salt, pepper, paprika and some garlic in it. I'm going to let that marinade sink into the chicken before I start cooking it. Meanwhile, here I've got some broccoli. I'm just going to start to prepare that. I'm just going to simply boil this broccoli, nothing fancy. So the roast potatoes have been in for an hour. They look like they're fully cooked. So I'm just going to make the peppercorn sauce and then I'll move on to making the steak. So I seared the steak on a hot pan with some garlic butter for 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes is the perfect time to cook a steak as thick as this one. And if you remember, it wasn't very thick at all. So the steak is now done. I'm just going to plate that up and serve it to my family. I hope you enjoyed my quick chicken steak recipe. If you did, leave me a comment, let me know what you think and I'll see you in the next one.